the violence that's happening right now in our country, it really bothers me. So, with the child's rights and with the welfare of our children, that is my number one priority and one of my advocacies in my district. So, I understand as a mom, with the modernization of technology right now, you need it also, correct? So that you could, that's really a fast pace. Then, dumating si AI, si ChatGPT. You know, I tell my children and my constituents sa aking pong distrito not to ever open or download that app. It really won't help. Mas magagaling kayo on your own. We are trying to expand and especially integrate yung social media use and yung social media effect sa ating mga kabataan. Welfare for Children, kaisa niyo po ako, ang inyo pong lagunanay, but you can call me ate. Kapag kailangan niyo ng services from the law enforcement, may nang away sa inyo, may nang bully sa inyo, may nang cyberbully sa inyo, sabihin niyo sa akin agad. We will go sa mga law enforcement wherein we can really fight for the rights of our children. So kayo ang kailangan namin. You are here in the house of the people. You will be our eyes, our ears, and you will be our strength kung paano kami makakonect sa kabataan. But please, we will let you know, mas matanda man kami, pero mas magagaling na kayo sa amin. My love and support for all of you na nandito, and I hope you could also visit one of my activities in my community on women. Alright? So maraming salamat, and I hope I was able to share my insights as a nanay, as a mom.